Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. Got another supermarket battle today. I've been at Aldi and Tesco's. So let me show you what I got. Right, I've only got some pasties. I've got cheese and onion and chicken tikka. That's the Aldi cheese and onion. £1.39. That's the Tesco's cheese and onion. £1.75. There's the Aldi's chicken tikka. £1.39. There's the Tesco's chicken tikka. £1.75. So let's open them up. Open the Aldi one first. So you get two in each one. If I can open it, there we go. Well, there's a Tesco one. Now let's have a look at the Aldi one. And there's the Aldi one. My first impressions, Tesco's looks better, and it's a bit bigger. I don't know whether that's just the edge of the crust there. Have a look on the back. Well, Tesco's is bigger, and it looks more appetising. But it's all about the taste. So there's the cheese ones. Now the chicken tikka. Tesco's first. Get it open, if I can. There we go. There's a Tesco's one. Now the Aldi one. And there's the Aldi. And compare. To be honest, they look about the same size. Yeah, they look more or less the same size then. Aldi's is a little bit thicker. But Tesco's one looks better. Well, I'm going to stick them in the oven and we'll give them a test when they come out and see what they're like. So I got myself a dish. So I'll put the Aldi ones at the back for a minute and Tesco ones at the front. Then I'll turn them around halfway through. Now how long did I take? 18 to 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 18 to 20 minutes. And 18 to 20 minutes. So they all take the same time. On what degrees? I can't see that. 190 degrees. So I'll stick them in for 20 minutes and I'll bring you back. Tesco's, Aldi. You can tell the Tesco ones anyway because they've got the slits in. So I'll get them in the oven now. Right, there we go then. All done. Tesco's and Aldi. Tesco's cheese. I think that one's the cheese. That's the cheese. Aldi's cheese. So we compare. Aldi's, Tesco's looks a lot nicer, doesn't it? And there's Tesco's chicken tikka. Looks nice. And there's Aldi's chicken tikka. There they are together. Must admit Tesco's one looks better, doesn't it? But it's all in the taste. So we'll start off with the cheese and onion. Tesco's first. Cut it in the middle. Oh, quite a lot of cheese in it. Quite a lot of cheese and onion in that one. Okay. Clean my knife. Let's cut the Aldi one. There's the Aldi one. And there's the Tesco one. Okay. I think Aldi's looks more, doesn't it? I think. It's all in the taste though. So let's taste it. Make sure I get the cheese, not the crust. There we go. That's quite nice actually. That is quite nice. That cheese one's quite nice. Tesco's one. Aldi one I mean. Bring it across. Looks a lot gooey this one. Looks like a lot more cheese in that one compared to that. Aldi's looks a lot more cheese. Let me just try a bit of that cheese. I think Tesco's is a little bit better, I think. Let me try that Tesco one again. Tesco one. Yeah, Tesco one. Tesco one tastes a lot cheesier. And it looks a lot better as well, to be fair. So Tesco's the winner on the cheese. Now the chicken tikka. Let's do the Aldi one first this time. Cut it in half. I'm going to cut the Tesco one in half as well. So you can see the difference. Aldi's, Tesco's. Tesco's, Aldi's. Aldi's looks like it's got more in again. But as I say, it's all in the taste. Let's taste it. Aldi's first. One thing I noticed about Aldi's is a lot gooier. There it is. Oh wow, that's very chicken tikka-y. And a little bit of spice to it as well. Now the Tesco's. And there's the Tesco's. Oh, pulling off my fork. Oh no, it's clear winner on that. That's the Aldi's. Tesco's is very bland. Tesco's chicken tikka is very, very bland. Very bland. So that's the winner on that one, 100%. %100% the winner, Aldi's. Yes. Tesco's again. Yeah, 100%. So Tesco's with the cheese and onion. Aldi's with the chicken tikka. But there's what was it, 30 odd p difference in them. Is that 139 and 175? 36p. Is it worth 36p? The chicken tikka one, Aldi's is a lot better. It's very bland, the Tesco one. The cheese one, there's not much difference. It's just a little bit cheesier, the Tesco. So then, let's have a look. Cheese, Tesco's, Aldi's, Tesco's. Aldi's looks better, but Tesco's tastes nicer. Aldi's looks better cheese, should I say. But Tesco tastes nicer, and it looks nicer as well, to be fair. But it's 30 odd p more. Now as for the chicken tikka, there's a clear winner, which is the Aldi. That is very bland for chicken tikka. So, as I say, I am the old food guy. Like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. And until tomorrow, see you later. Bye bye. Chicken tikka's lovely. Aldi chicken tikka superb. Bye bye.